How to allow comments on TikTok for everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you're looking to make your TikTok videos more engaging by allowing everyone to comment, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable comments for all users in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then you'll need to go to your profile on the bottom right. Then you'll find three dots on the top right corner. Tap on it and then access settings and privacy. Now go ahead and tap on privacy, and this will take you to a section where you can manage who can interact with your content. So for that, if you want everyone to comment on your feed, then you'll need to toggle off the private account and make your account public. And after that, you can go to the comment section under interactions, and there you can find allow comments from. Tap on it and make sure you set it to everyone. And then that's it. Now everyone can comment on your TikTok post. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.